Hello students, welcome to IDVN Memorial classes. Now let us solve some questions of exercise 11.2, that is questions based on parabola. Okay? So we are in each of the following exercises 1 to 6. Find the coordinate of focus, axis of parabola, the equation of directrix and the length of latus rectum. Now the given equation of parabola is x square equal to 6y. Since your equation involve x square, so axis of parabola is along y axis. Now your coefficient of y is positive, that means parabola will open upward, ठीक है, and its focus will be of the form 0a, ठीक है. Now this will be 0a, ठीक है. So now let us see how we are going to solve this. Solution of this is, since equation of parabola involve x square, means axis of parabola is along y axis. ठीक है, फर्स्ट थिंग क्लियर हो गया कि एक्सिस ऑफ पैराबोला इज अलोंग y एक्सिस. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग कि कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y इज पॉजिटिव. सिंस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y is positive, hence parabola will open upward. ये ऊपर की तरफ खुलेगा, यानी पैराबोला का जो फेस होगा that will open upwards. Now next thing, that is where will be its focus. So if parabola is in this shape, then its focus will be at f0a. ठीक है, coordinate of focus will be 0a. So hence coordinate of focus is of the form f0a. Now comparing this equation, now in this case what will be the equation of parabola? So in this case equation of parabola is of the form x square equal to 4ay. ठीक है, now comparing this with x square equal to 6y, comparing x square equal to 6y, that is 4 into 6 by 4 y, or 4 into 3 by 2 y with x square equal to 4ay, we get a equal to 3 by 2. मीन्स जब x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 6y को हम स्प्लिट करके लिखेंगे 4ay के फॉर्म में, सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 4 इंटू 6 बाई 4y. 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो विल गेट 6y इटसेल्फ, एंड फर्दर 6 बाई 4 को हम कॉमन फैक्टर कैंसिल करेंगे, देन इट विल बी 4 इंटू 3 बाई 2y. नाउ when we compare this with x square equal to 4ay, we'll get a equal to 3 by 2. So once a is known, then very well we can find the focus of this parabola. Hence focus of parabola is f0 3 by 2. Now axis of parabola is along y axis. Y axis. Now equation of directrix. In this case, equation of directrix is y equal to minus a. Hence, equation of directrix is y equal to minus a की जगह 3/2. And at last, length of latus rectum of parabola is 4a. So length of latus rectum क्या हो जाएगा? 4a, 4 into 3/2, ये कट जाएगा, that is equal to 6. So in this way we have find all the things that has been asked in the question. यानी क्वेश्चन में जो जो कुछ पूछा गया है उन सबको हमने यहाँ फाइंड आउट कर लिया. ठीक है, तो नोट करो. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. ओके, बाय.